Most business owners undervalue themselves, their services, their products, poorly package and present those things, and underestimate what their clients will pay. You go into any luxury store, you go to Louis Vuitton, you go to Chanel, you go to any of the luxury stores. What you notice when you buy something, their packaging, even the box looks luxurious. And you carry the bag, right? Ladies, you know what I'm talking about? You carry the bag, like, just went to Chanel. Just like, this is a part of the experience, right? Now, they could have give you a, I don't know, Price Smart bag, right? They give you like an ugly plastic. No, it's like, it's a part of the experience, the box, right? How many of you have Apple products? Oh, okay, I'm going to do a survey here. How many of you have saved the boxes? Right? Why are you saving the boxes? It is so nice. Now, how many of you have boxes from like really old model? It's been around like years. I'm not talking a new box, right? iPhone 4. Thank you, iPhone 4. Why do we save now, why are you not saving your boxes from Samsung? Why are you not saving your boxes from other brands? Why do you keep your Apple boxes? Because Steve Jobs is a marketing genius. He understands high ticket. It's not just the product, it's the whole packaging. From the look and feel of the box, from the texture, from the, like, we want it to be different. We want it to be an experience when people open up the box. We want it to be white. Now, couldn't they just use some cardboard box? Of course they could, but they don't. They don't. And before you know it, your house is full of these Apple boxes. Like, what the fuck? It's nice. It's like, it becomes part of a decoration thing, right? I have those boxes. I'm like, why am I keeping this shit? I get a phone all the time. Like, why? But it's nice. Like, it's almost, I feel guilty throwing them away. Does that make sense? Yeah. How about you can do that for your stuff? People feel bad throwing away your packaging, your stuff, what you do. There's a reason why we're doing this workshop at Vancouver Club, the most prestige club in Vancouver.